What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about the new easy feature in Photoshop that allows you to do sky replacements in pictures in seconds. So one of the first things that I've done, as you can see, is I've taken the 3 pictures that I'm going to be editing in this video and I've dropped them. I already have them organized into a folder. So we're just going to take this first one, which is of the mountains, and we're going to open with Photoshop. Here we are. So this first one right here is just a picture that I took in our most recent trip out to Badlands National Park in South Dakota. And I'm just going to be working through this. As you can see, the sky here is just really, it's just blue. There's nothing really there. So we're going to run through and see if maybe there is a sky that we can put in here to kind of spice up the photo a little bit, make it Instagram worthy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Edit right up top, and then there's this new feature down here called the sky replacement. It just pops this right in, and it actually just does the replacement on its own. But there are a variety of different options that you have to choose from here. So because the sky is already blue and we just kind of want to work with what we've got, maybe we'll choose something like this. And you can move the image around to kind of meet what's already there. So now what it really did is it just added some sky to this. So we're just going to go through and we'll stick with this. This looks actually pretty good. You've got some clouds in there. The sky is still blue. The sun, is still coming from the same direction, so it's not really going to mess with it that much. Brushes, make things a little bit interesting. Maybe we'll just come in here and find some birds. Make the brush black. And we'll just plop them in right there. And that's pretty much it. Maybe what I'll do is I will make them a little bit smaller and not that small. Make them maybe about that, and we'll just plop them in right there. This picture is actually of Jordan. She's standing up on a little cliff that was above the ground. This is also in Badlands National Park, and there's really not much to this picture. Obviously the sky here is also really blue, so we can come back in, we'll do a little sky replacement and see that's the same one as before, so maybe we'll mix it up a little bit and we'll go with something like this. Really just added some clouds in there just to spice up the image a little bit. So I would call this one good. If you guys want to, you can go in, you can add some birds, maybe add something else in there. But I'm gonna call this one good. We're gonna do a quick export again. Come in and we'll grab this third picture. This one is a little bit different. This is a really blown out image. As you can see, it was supposed to be sunset, but this actually works here great, where we can just come in, we can do a sky replacement. And because it's a sunset picture, we're gonna look for something that kind of matches this. So maybe we'll go in, we'll choose something like that. That kind of fits with the cloud that was already there, but at the same time you see it's kind of messing with what is going on down here. So maybe we can, I don't know, mess with the settings a little bit. See how this is going to fit here. Kind of works, but we'll have to throw this one into Lightroom to kind of mess around with this part here that's underneath. It kind of makes it look a little bit on the bluer side. Super simple. And we're going to shrink this down a little bit. Oh, I just added a second one. I'm just gonna warm. Maybe we can add some contrast to the picture. I'm just gonna mess around with it until I kind of feel like it's until I feel like it kind of matches a little bit. Just throw in the auto edit. As you can see, the sky is a bit, contrasty, but personally, I don't mind this picture. It kind of fits. It's a sunset, so it kind of fits with the clouds that were already there, but we can still see the sky perfectly, and then also the foreground. So I'm really okay with how this turned out, and we can just do a quick export of this picture. So we've got these 3 great images that are ready to go, and as you can see, it just makes things a little bit more interesting. Obviously, you guys want to use pictures that have already kind of been edited to the color in which you're looking for when you're looking for the sky replacement, but it's really easy now that Adobe has introduced this Photoshop feature. So I'm really excited to be using it in the future, and if you guys liked this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Comment below some of the pictures that maybe you have used this feature with. Sorry. I want to see some of the pictures that you guys have taken and some of the sky replacements that you have done using this new feature. So yeah, maybe just tag me in some of your photos on Instagram or drop them in the comments below. This was a really simple, quick, easy tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.